Hey guys, Jacob here with Norsk Lithium. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the key features of the 12 volt 120 amp hour lithium starting battery. Now this battery was designed using lithium iron phosphate or LiFePO4 chemistry and is specifically designed and tested to work with the most popular outboards in the industry. With 900 cranking amps, this battery has the amps you need for reliable starting every time. The 12 volt 120 amp hour starting battery comes in a PCI compliant Group 31 case, weighs around 34 pounds, and is IP67 waterproof. Now, there are two ways our starting batteries differ from our standard deep cycle batteries. First, our starting batteries feature triple terminals. This lets you spread the wiring across 3 terminals for cleaner and flexible rigging. Now, the second feature that's only found in our starting batteries will make sure you never get stranded on the water with a dead battery. Emergency Start Reserve, or ESR, is a feature that saves 25% of the battery's capacity as reserve, ensuring you'll always have the power you need to start your outboard at the end of a long day on the water. ESR can be activated by holding down the power management button until you see 2 lights on the top of the battery, or through the Norsk Guardian App. It's like having a jump pack built right into the battery. Now, before we get into some of our other advanced features, let's briefly cover the benefits of lithium. Now, compared to lead acid, this battery is half the weight and delivers twice the runtime, and it charges up to 5 times faster. That means less weight in your boat, more time on the water, and a faster recharge between trips. Lithium is also able to deeply discharge without losing capacity over time, resulting in an extended lifespan. These are just some of the benefits you'll get with lithium and why everyone's making the switch. Now let's talk about the reason everyone's making the switch to Norsk Lithium batteries. Our marine batteries are jam-packed with a variety of advanced features. First, our batteries feature an advanced battery management system. The BMS, which is also like the brain of the battery, provides a variety of protections like short circuit, overcharging, and reverse polarity. Also, the BMS provides temperature monitoring. All starting batteries are equipped with thermal core heating technology. This feature automatically warms the battery cells when charging at temps below freezing, ensuring a safe charge once the optimal temperature is reached. This helps preserve the life of the battery and is a critical feature for any angler wanting to charge during spring and fall when the temps get cooler at night. Another advanced feature found in the 12 volt 120 is Bluetooth. This allows you to connect your phone to the free Norsk Guardian app. We've designed this app from the ground up with features not found in any other battery apps. Once connected to Guardian, you can monitor multiple batteries at the same time, create battery groups with custom names, check the battery's charging status or current draw, set up alert notifications, and activate advanced features such as deep sleep. Now with deep sleep, you can easily disconnect the power from your battery's terminals right from the Guardian app, eliminating phantom draw and preventing fully discharged batteries. This feature is perfect for seasonal or long-term storage. Now, if you don't have your phone, you can access deep sleep right through the one-touch power management button on the top of the battery. This button, along with the state of charge meter, bright LEDs, allows you to check your battery status or access advanced features such as resetting the BMS. This meter is really handy to have if you want to quickly check your status. Now let's talk about lifespan. These batteries are rated for over 4,000 charge cycles. Now, one cycle is completely draining the battery and charging it back up again. That translates into about 15 to 20 years of dependable performance. Now, along with these advanced features, extended lifespan, and superior construction, we've backed our batteries with a 10+ 2-year non-prorated warranty. That's 10 years standard and an extra 2 years when you register your batteries through the free Norsk Guardian app. Now, we've designed these batteries through feedback from our team of pro tournament anglers and fishing guides, making sure you can trust them in the harshest conditions. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance starting battery for your marine outboard, check out the 12 volt 120 lithium starting battery from Norsk Lithium.